Please subscribe to the eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Right, that's it for now. I need an extra long HDMI cable. I need a wireless mouse and keyboard and webcam. And when I've done that, I will tidy that bookcase up. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to have my tea, have a drink, sit and relax, because I deserve it. I've grafted on this today, but a lot happier. I've got a lot more space to put my things. It's just after 8 AM. I'm heading to Asda to see if they've got a wireless mouse and keyboard in stock. Knowing my luck, they won't. I'll have to get one later on in town from maybe Argos. Got another busy day ahead today. I've got to see my computer guy, who wasn't in yesterday, take the information of the specifications of the computer he built for me about 3-4 years ago, and see if he can upgrade it, put a new graphics card in, RAM, memory, etc, etc, instead of me buying a new PC. I've got to buy a few other purchases for my office and meet my daughter. Another busy day. Also, I've got to test out my new Sony A7 III. I've got some ND filters. I've got to test them out in my garden before I go to the lakes tomorrow. I've got to have a practice with them this afternoon. Let's hope it's nice and sunny like this tomorrow in the lakes, because we're on a big walk. Let's hope we've got a keyboard in. And a mouse. Talking about computers, maybe 25 years, maybe a little bit more. I was working in a textile factory and they got a Dextralog computer system to run everything. And the manager at the time mentioned the fact he's got something called a mouse. So we give him a bit of grief that we'd seen him giving it cheese. Best time I come to this sort of place is nice and early or late at night, and there's not many people about. Which one do I go for? 13 or 18? What would you do? Right, it cost me £19. But when I get back home, I'm going to look at the footage, and this was in the £13 pile. But the one at £13, I think was only the keyboard, but it was still in the wrong pile. And that's what you get this day and age. People don't give a shit. Members of staff will just chuck these willy-nilly wherever they like, causing confusion to poor old guys like me who haven't got their glasses on, even though I've got my glasses on my chest and I forgot I had them. That's what you're up against. I've also got to ask Mrs. Ermanchinsky if she'll alter the curtains in my office, because they're a little bit short. Now these bushes are called hydrangeas, but I don't like that colour. It reminds me of Mrs. Slocum's hair. Right, that wasn't too bad setting it up, but this is what pisses me off. On the website, £15, so I paid £4 more in my local store. Oh, now then, where are we? I'm off to make a little video for my friend Tatar, who has got a couple of massage shops, one in Morecambe and a new one in Lancaster. So I'm going to go and make a little bit of a promo video for her. And I've got a few other little things to do. First time I've been on a bus in years. Alright, pal.
Sorry, mate.
It's Tatar in. I'm making a video for her. Did she tell you? 11 o'clock, Owen. For YouTube and for the thing. It is out there, it's too close. Close, isn't it? Close.
Hello? Hello, Dara. Okay, Tatar there? Oh, no, because he ไม่ก็ทาให้เขามาทำวิดีโอ 11 โมงทานัดเขามานะแล้ว She said to tag you already.
She texted me. I've not seen it. But you can't do it?
Yeah, because we have booking.
Oh, right, I never looked at it. Let's have a look. Of course you did, you have not looked at it. Oh, it's alright, I'll do it another time.
Yeah, she will let you know.
Yeah, I tell her I never looked at it.
Okay.
Alright,
yeah.
alright. Alright.
Okay. แกเพิ่งเห็นแกไม่ได้ดู
See you, bye. Right, I'm out doing a little bit of scouting. I'm going to do some long exposure shots on the canal with these boats. But the water is full of weeds, so it'll spoil the effect. But what I would do, I found a nice area, take a still shot of the boat, and then from the same position take a long exposure shot, which would then put them together in Photoshop. You see all the weeds and everything. I might be able to get a video shot of that. So maybe from here take a shot of the grass and the lilies, and then do the same shot on a long exposure and blend in the lilies and the water moving around. Could be an idea, but them boats aren't very picturesque. Maybe from this angle. So all these lilies would be frozen, the water there would be moving, and the boat in the distance would be frozen. It's an idea.
Why you won't make me do?